Press enter on your keyboard, and then this should open up. And then we need to click, and then we need to... Hello guys, welcome to AF Plus More, and in this video we're going to be talking about the MRT and how we can run it on Windows 11. So the MRT, or the so-called malicious software removal tool, is something that is available in many Windows operating systems ever since in the past. Even back then, Windows Vista and Windows XP, there was already a malicious software removal tool. And what this is that it helps in scanning your PC for any unwanted alien or a virus perhaps. Anything that is malicious that could be detrimental to the workings of your PC. And so I also want to talk about what makes this different from Windows Security. So Windows Security is different because it's something that is running to prevent your PC or anything from getting into your PC that might cause some problems later on. MRT, on the other hand, is used to go after the fact that there might be an infection going on into your PC. So Windows Defender is like the immune system in your body, while MRT is the medicine that you use, or for example, antibiotics that you use in order to get rid of that virus inside your body, or bacteria or infection or whatever it is. Anyways, so how do you actually run MRT on your PC? Well, it's easy. You just need to open up your Windows search bar and then type in MRT. Press enter on your keyboard, and then this should open up. And then we need to click yes in order to open it because it needs administrator permission. And this is now the MRT. It looks like an installation wizard. So it looks like that. It's pretty simple, but it's very powerful. Okay, so you need to remember that according to Windows here, that this is not a tool, or this is not a replacement for an antivirus product. So what we do now is we click on next, and then we have the option to choose what kind of scan that we want. So quick scan here scans areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. If malicious software is found, you may be prompted to run a full scan. And what a full scan is that it scans your entire PC, and it will take hours. It takes a long time for this to be finished, but it's better to be safe than sorry, right? And then customized scan over here is like quick scan, but you can choose a folder that you want to scan. So let's for example go ahead and use quick scan. Click on next, and now it will start scanning our PC. Now it won't take a while, so let's just wait. Alright guys, so the scan has been complete after a not so quick wait. And the result says that there is no malicious software that was detected on my PC. So everything is good. And that's it. That is how you can use MRT tool, or that sounds a bit repetitive, doesn't it? That is how you can use MRT, or the malicious software removal tool, on Windows 11. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.